there 30 minus x. When x students have left the hostel, no more 30 minus x. Because of that, the food is not for 10 days. Food is for how many days? It is lasting for 15 days. Are you understanding, everybody? Are you understanding, everybody? Now, let's try to move here. So 30 students for 10 days food is left. Now 30 minus x, 15 days. So we are supposed to find out what's the value of x. Let's try to have a look here. What is the relationship between? What is the relationship between men and days? The relationship between men and days are not directly, I told you, it is inversely. What is that is m1 by m2 is equal to d2 by d1. Let's try to substitute here. m1 by m2 must be equal to d2 by d1. So tell me what's the value of m1? 30. 30 by 30 minus x must be equal to, not m1 by m2 is d1 by d2, d2 by d1, 15 by 10. Okay, everybody, so we have to cancel all these things here. This is 15 ones are, this is 15 twos are. Okay, everybody, this goes here, this goes here. 20 is equal to 30 minus x. X is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. So we can understand that x is equal to 10. So we have to understand that x is equal to 10. So how many students have left the hostel? 10 students have left the hostel. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Is it clear to you? Okay, so food based questions and this based questions both are same. So this is the actual data, but this is current data after 2 days data. So let's try to ask you, just try to have a look, everybody, this question. Again, I am teaching the third model, same question, everybody. Now, what is it that in a hostel there is food sufficient for 28 students? Listen, everybody, 28 students can stay in the hostel. 28 students can stay in the hostel for how many days? He told you 10 days. Are you understanding, everybody? 28 students can stay in the hostel for 10 days. Let me just try to show you the food. Let's try to believe that this is a food. This food is sufficient for 28 students. Do you think this food is sufficient for 28 students for 1 day or 2 days or 10 days? 10 days. But what happened? After 4 days, stop. Don't read what is happening after 4 days. After 4 days, you write down here. After 4 days, you tell me what is the status now. Same 28 students can eat for how many more days? Bolo, how many more days? 6 days. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? 28 students can eat for 10 days, but after 4 days, same 28 students can eat for 6 days. This is a very common kind of knowledge. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. Now, you all tell me one thing. Do you think after 4 days, same 28 students are there? After 4 days, same 28 students are not there. Let's try to have a look here. These students are eating for 1 day food over, 2 day food is over, 3 days over, 4 days. This much of the food they have eaten and this much of the food is left. So, this much of the food is left for 28 people for 6 days. Now, 4 students left the hostel. When 4 students left the hostel, you tell me how many students are there? 24 students are there right now. So these 24 students can stay for how many days? This is what the data. Are you understanding, everybody? And the people who are listening to me, is it clear to you? Okay, now let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward. Now, how to do it? These are men, these are days. So m1 by m2 means this is m1 by m2. m1 by m2 is equal to not d1 by d2, d2 by d1. This is what the question mark divided by what? 6. I hope you're understanding that. Okay, this was a question which we have left yesterday. Today is a new concept. Okay, today is a new concept. Okay, now here 6 ones are, 6 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 sevens are. So we can say the answer is 7 days. So most of the people answer got B. Yes, answer is B. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, many people have answered the answer as B. But what happened here? 4 students not left the hostel. 4 students have joined the hostel, for example. 4 students have not left the hostel. 4 students have joined the hostel. Can we do this question once again? Yes. What we are supposed to do that now? Let's sort of see here, everybody. We are not doing anything. 28 people for 10 days. After 4 days, same 28 people for 6 days. Now, here he told you that 4 people joined the hostel. Now, 28 people, 6 days food is there. Same 28 people, 32 people are there. How 32? Because it is 28 plus 4. How many days it will take? We are supposed to do it. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. So how to do it? Have a look, everybody. What do we do now? M1 by M2. M1 by M2 is D2 by D1. Let's try to do it here. M1 by M2 is D2 by D1. That is 6. 6 goes over here. Something like that. Tell me what shall I do here? 2, 3s are 2. How many times goes here? 16s are. Are you sure? Then it goes in 4 table. 4 4s are. And then 4 7s are. Are you understanding, everybody here? Question mark is equal to 21 by 4 days. Answer is how many days, sir? 21 by 4 days. That is 5.25. One Vinender is saying. समझ में आ रहा है, everybody? So how many people joined, how many people left, you have to see here. Suppose he did not give you how many people joined. Some people left. So we're going to say, sir, some people left. Suppose he told you some people joined. You're supposed to say some people joined. So this was a model which we are supposed to do yesterday. Are you all understanding, everybody? Say yes. If you say yes, we can move forward. Are you understanding, everybody? So let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Now, everybody, today's concept is what? Today's concept is what? Combined work. Yesterday's concept we have done. Today's concept is combined work. Following, everybody? Yes? Now, let's try to see the combined work concept, everybody. What is combined work? I'll tell you. What is combined work? I'll tell you. Everybody, just try to listen now here. Suppose A can do a piece of work in 2 days. Not 2 days. Let's try to believe that A can do a piece of work in 3 days. B can do the same work in 6 days. Now listen, everybody. When A himself can do in 2 days, not 2 days, 3 days, okay? When A himself can do in 3 days, B himself can do in 6 days. So how many days A and B together can do the work? Are you understanding, everybody? So I hope you all know that A and B together can do it in not 3 and 6. They can together do in 9 days. Are you sure? No. Following, everybody? When A himself can do in 3 days, B himself can do in 6 days, together they cannot do in 9 days, students, because here we should not. In this time and work concept, never add the time, always add the work. Never add the time. Time is days. Don't add the time. Always add the work. So this concept you should remember the whole day today, whole day tomorrow. What shall we always add is? What shall we always add is work. Always add the work. Never add the days. So how to do it? Everybody on the screen now. I hope you are listening to me. How to add the work, I'll tell you. Now, listen, everybody, how to add the work. In order to add the work, what you need to do is what? You have to assume one certain number. You have to assume one number which is a multiple of 3 and 6. Are you understanding? This is LCM concept, is a very fastest concept. The LCM of 3 and 6. Listen, everybody. So you have to assume one number which is a LCM of 3 and 6. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? 6. So let's say to believe that the total work is 6 units. How many works? 6 boxes. 6 units work. Imagine that the total work is 6 units. This 6 units can be done by A. This 6 units can be done by A in 3 days. Same 6 units can be done by B in 6 days. Individually, they'll take 3 days and 6 days. Okay, everybody? Now, let's try to see here. When A himself can do in 3 days, the total work. So, 6 units in 3 days. So, you can understand that in 1 day, A can do 2 units. Are you understanding, everybody? In 1 day, he can do how many units? 2 units. This is very clear. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no, Saket? Yes, never, never we should add. Never we should add the days. Always you should add the work. Okay, that's good. You seems to be my old student. That's good. Okay, now let's try to see that. If you give the same chance to B, 6 units, 6 days. 6 units, 6 days. Daily 1 unit. Who will do daily 1 unit? B will do daily 1 unit. So never ever add the days. Always add the work. Following, this is a concept. Following, everybody? Now, everybody on the screen now, you all tell me here, 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3 units. Tell me, who gonna do these 3 units? Who gonna do these 3 units? A and B. Is it 3 days or 3 units? They are combiningly doing 3 units. Following, everybody? So what I am doing now here, I have to understand that. Who is doing these 3 units? Both A and B together. Are you understanding, everybody? Every day 3 units. First day 3 units, second day 3 units. So if I say 6 units have to be divided by daily 3 units, so it will not take 1 day, it will take 2 days. Are you understanding the basic concept, everybody? Yes. This is the way we are supposed to do what? Combined work. Yesterday. 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 What did we do yesterday? Chain rule. Today, what we are doing here? Combined work. Are you understanding, everybody? Oh, that's good. Yes, let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward and let's try to go back to the next question. I'm going to teach you one more question. Just try to listen to this question, everybody. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B can do the same piece of work in 10 days. In how many days A and B together do the work? Following, everybody? Clear? This is quite simple. So you have to take one such number which is the LCM of this 15 and 20. So tell me what's the LCM of this 15 and 10? That is a number which you have to assume that 15 and 20 LCM is what? 30. So being a BTech, you should know that the LCM of 15 and 20 is what? 30. 30 is a number which goes with 15 also. 30 is a number which goes with 10 also. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Okay. Now, 15, 30 units, 15 days. 30 units, 15 days. Daily 2 units. I believe you understood now. Because 30 have to be divided by 15 students. Everybody who are getting or not getting, you are supposed to do like this. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Same 30 units we can do in how many days? 10 days. 30 units, 10 days. When 30 units in 10 days, so you have to understand that 30 divided by 10 means what? Daily 3 units. Who gonna do these 3 units? B. Then what I'm supposed to add? I should never ever add the days. I should always add the work. Combined work. So this is 5 units. This is 5 units. Who will do this 5 units? Both A and B. Daily 5. First day 5, second day 5, 5, 5, 5. Again 5, 5, 5. So 30 units, daily 5 units. When you divide these two, it's going to take how many days, Baba? It's going to take how many days? 6 days. So I believe that you all people are getting this one. Is it clear to you? Here, so we should always add. Following, everybody? 6. Aditi is saying 6. That's good. So what I'm going to do is what? I'm going to ask you to do this question faster. Within this 30 seconds, you can do it. Oh, we got the answer. Is it the same question what we have done? Yes, it's the same question. A 10 days, B 15 days. A 10 days, B 15 days. A 10 days, B 15 days. Together they're going to do in how many days? 6 days. Following, everybody? We have done the same question and we have got the answer. Following, everybody? But I request for you people not to do this question. I request for you people to do this question. Okay, make it faster, everybody. Make it faster. Believing that you all people got the answer. Bolo bolo, the answer is what? 6 days. So I repeat once again, basics have to be done very clearly, and we cannot say, sir, why we should not do this question again. We should do this question once again. A, 12 days. B, 18 days. C, 36 days. In how many days they can together do all this work? A plus B plus C, in how many days we don't know. So we are supposed to take LCM. Sir, explain yesterday's practice exercise 6 and 13 problem. Sujita, if I explain 6 and 13 problem right now, it's not possible. Maybe in the Telegram group, I will be dropping the answer for that question. Following everybody? Clear? Okay. Yes. Now let's try to move. Sujita, definitely. Okay. 6 question option is wrong actually. Okay. And 13 question I must explain you. Okay. Now let's try to move across. Tell me one such number which goes with all these numbers. The number which goes with all these 3 numbers, LCM is what? 36 units. The LCM is very simple. The LCM is 36 units. So now 36 units, 12 days, daily 3 units. 36 units, 18 days, daily 2 units. 36 units, 36 days, daily 1 unit. This all we should know that. How? We have to divide this by this by this. Together they will do 6 units. That's it. Are you understanding everybody? Okay, Sujita? Good. Okay, so 36 units, 6 days. 36 units, 6 days. When 36 units, 6 days, 6 units. 36 units, daily 6 units. So definitely it will take 6 days. Answer, as you all know, that it's Agra. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. Let's try to move forward everybody. Okay, let's try to move forward. Then how to do these questions? Let's try to move forward and just try to do it. Okay, now here, who said that they will give the data very clearly like this? A 15, B 20, C 36? No. Who said that the questions will be given directly like this? No. Sometimes the questions are given like this. Listen to this question everybody. What is said that A can do half of the work in 12 days. He's confusing you. Now you all see here, A can do in 12 days. A can do in 12 days. How much? Full work? No. So yesterday I told you, let the full work, the complete work is 1. We should always consider the complete work is what, students? 1. So let me just try to ask you here, is he doing 1 work? No, he is doing half. A can do half of the work in 12 days. When half of the work in 12 days, you should understand that how he must do, how much time he will do to do full work. Send this 2 here, you send this 2 here, multiply this 2 here, so 2 into 12, so A will do in 24 days. Understanding everybody? So like this the data we want, but he will not give you this data. He will give you this data by confusing like this. Are you understanding? Now B can do not full 75%. 75% means what? 75% of the data B will do in 6 daes. You all tell me here, B will do how many days, sir? 75%. 75% means 75 by 100. Means what? 25 threes are, 25 fours are. So we have to understand that in percentages, 75 is nothing but 3/4. 75 is nothing but what? 3/4. So you all know that 3/4 of the data. 3/4 of the data in 6 days, but I don't want 6 days. I want what? Full data. So what did you understand that? Students, I told you full data means 1. Full data means what? 1. So how much time he will take to do the full data? When 3/4 in 6 days, what about 1? Let me just show you here. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. This 4 will go there. This 4 will go there. It will take 8 days. Are you understanding everybody, students, everybody? Now, let's try to move. That's good. Okay. Now, this 2 you're multiplying here. Following everybody? So, we want the value of 1. Students, we want the value of 1. Bolo, what's the value of 1 here? The 1 value is 8 days. So, from here, I believe you can do this question. From here onwards, I believe that you can do these questions. I am understanding and you're also understanding. Are you understanding? Now, half of the data in 12 days. So definitely you multiply this full 1. 1 is what? 24 days. Half in 12, double in 24. That's what. 3/4 is nothing but 75%. 75% is this thing. I hope everybody understanding this question, everybody. Okay. Now, you all know that some students have done this question and then saying the answer is A. Are you sure the answer is A? Yes. So what shall we do next? You all know that. Don't say, sir, I don't know what to do now. Will you add the days? Yes. I'm going to add A plus B. Do you think will you add the days? No, you should not add the days. What should you add always? You should add always what? What? You should always add the work, because the concept name is combined work. Following everybody? Yeah. Oh, Agra is the answer. Sagar is saying Delhi is the answer. Is Sagar is right or rest of the people are right? Let's try to see here. Sagar, let me just try to see why you are doing 3. Okay, everybody listen now. Everybody listen now. 24 and 8. 24 and 8 LCM is 24. Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody. Now, 24 units, 24 days. Daily 1 unit. 24 units, 8 days. Daily 3 units. Understanding everybody? Totally 4 units. Following everybody? So 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by daily 4 units. Bole to 6 days. Bole to 6 days. Everybody think answer is Agra. But listen here. Had he told the complete work? No, 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 no. How many days he will take to complete half of the work? Sir, to do full work 6 days, half of the work 3 days. Understood why Sagar is right? Following everybody? Clear? So you have to be careful. Jaldi. Don't try to think he's asking the full data. Sometimes he'll give you this thing. Are you understanding everybody? Say yes or no. Yes. I myself say yes and move forward. Okay. Now, let's try to move across everybody here. I'm going to ask you to do this question, everybody. Okay, I'm going to ask you to do this question, everybody. Okay, what is said in this question? Just listen, everybody. Just listen. You need not. Okay, yes. Just try to listen to this question, everybody. Here, what did he say here? A and B can complete the work in 15 days and 20 days. Listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. A can do in 15 days. B can do it in 20 days. Till here, any problem? No problem. A can do in 15 days, B can do in 20 days. Okay, everybody? Now, they started doing the work together. They started doing the work together. But after 6 days, A had to leave. After 6 days, A left the company and B alone completed the remaining work. Students, here comes the stories. Nobody will gonna give you this kind of question. A 12, B 18, C 36. Tell me A plus B plus C. A 15, B 10 and A plus B. Don't think that. These are the basic questions which you have done. We are doing combined work. But here comes the stories. Are you understanding everybody? Here stories do come. Somebody will join, somebody will leave. Are you understanding everybody? Now, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward now. How to do this question? Have a look here. Now, here I'm just trying to write down one equation. Try to understand that. They started the work together. Means A and B. A and B started the work together. Means first day they worked, second day worked, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day. Like this they work for 6 days. Means I don't know how many days the total work will go on. How many days I don't know. But these people have done for 6 days work. Following everybody? Yes or no? Yes. That per day, leave it. Okay, leave it everybody. Just try to listen here. Okay. Yeah, right now per day concept will come. I'll tell you that. Okay. Now, A and B are working for how many days? 6 days. We all know that. Now, plus, I'm continuing the job. Who left the job? A left the job. And who is working alone? B. Now, A is not available. Now, if you just try to see here, A plus B, do you think A plus B are working? No. Now, what happened here? Now, I'm removing this person. In this combination, A is not available now. Who is available now? B alone is available. Are you understanding everyone? Who is available? B alone is available. So you all tell me now, do you think B is going to do in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days? I don't know how many days B is working. So B is working till the end. Everybody just try to listen to this question here. So here, let me just try to tell you here. So let it be X days till he work the combined work. Till he do the total work, B has to continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we don't know. But A plus B have done for 6 days job. The work is going on, going on, going on, going on, going on. After 6 days, B is not, sorry, A is not available, B alone is doing. So B will do 1 day, 2 day, I don't know, let it be X. So till where this will be going? It will be going till total work. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Now, so here we should never ever substitute the days. Understanding? Never substitute the days. Always substitute the work. Combined work. Following? So don't do this thing. Always do combined work. So let's try to have a look, everybody. Everybody on the screen now. Here. Let's try to have, I don't know the work. Let the total work be what? 30. 15 and 20. Yes, 30. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Let's try to believe the total work is 30. If total work is 30, per day, 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 2 units. Per day, 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 what's that? 3 units. So you all know that per day, per day, per day, per day. Okay. So per day, A will do 2 dabba and B will do 3 dabba. Okay. Now let's try to substitute here. Never ever substitute the days here. Always substitute the work, because in order to reach total work. Okay. Now A's 1 day work is 2. B's 1 day work is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. But are they working for 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6? 6 days they have done this work. Plus, now who is not available? A is not available. B is available. So B's 1 day work. B's 1 day work is what? 3. But he has to do in 1 day, 2 days. I don't know. Let it be X days. Let it be X days he is working. I have no idea how many days he is working. This is what the question, students. Okay. Now, let me just try to ask you, this should go and reach till 60. Following, everybody? This should go and reach till 60. Why? Because they are doing this work to complete that 60. It should be balancing with the 60, the total work. Following, everybody? Now, let's try to do it here. 6, 5. What is 6, 5? Come on, this is 5. This is 5. 5, 6 is 30. 30 plus 3x is equal to 60. You all know that x is equal to 3x is equal to 60 minus 30, 30. X is equal to 10. Means B worked for 10 days. Are you understanding, everybody? Bolo, B worked for how many days? 10 days. When B worked for 10 days, you just try to tell me, do you think the whole work, not the remaining work I ask you, the whole work I'm asking you, the whole work is done in 10 days or 6 days or 16 days. The total work is done in how many days, sir? 60 days. Oh, I'm sorry, students, total work is 60. I did a mistake here. Yes, LCM should be 60. I did a mistake here. This should be 60. 15 and 20 LCM is 60. I'm sorry for that. So making mistakes is very good, but learning from that mistakes is very good, sir. So this has to be 60. Oh, I got this 60, yaar. You told me 60, so I have copied this 60. Okay, no worries. Okay. Now let's just say per day what? 4. Per day what? 3. So let's try to move forward, everybody. So A and B's per day work. Yeah. Watch out, everybody here. 6 days A and B, that is 4 plus 3 plus X into B. B's 1 day work is 3. So we all know that this is 7, 7, 6 of 42. 42 plus 3x is equal to 60. 3x is equal to what? 18. X is equal to what? Is it true, everybody? Yes. X is equal to what? 6. Means A did not work for 10 days. A worked for 6 days. Are you understanding, everybody? Sir, it's not 7, not 5 when A and B work together. Anyways, okay, so like, I hope you have understood that. So initially they work for 6 days and B alone have worked for more 6 days. Bolo, what is 6 plus 6? 12. So total work was done in 12 days. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Yes, I did a small mistake, was taking LCM. So you have to be very careful, just like I am be careful. Okay. Now, just like to move forward, everybody. Now, what to do now? Listen, everybody. Everybody try to listen, everybody. Sir, why 60? Sumant King is saying, sir, why 60? 60 is one such number which is divisible by 15 also. It is divisible by 20 also. Are you understanding, Sumant? Have you joined just now? Okay, if you have joined just now, definitely you are not understanding how you got 60. We have taken this LCM here. We have done all these questions, Sumant. Okay, so now let's try to listen, everybody. I have got one story. Listen to this story, everybody. This is a very important. Just try to listen, everybody. Suppose if I tell you A, 15 days, B, 20 days, C, 30 days. Listen to the story, everybody. A, 15, B, 20, and C, 30. They all have started the work together. They all have started the work together. But after 2 days, listen to my question, everybody. After 2 days, Bangalore and Chennai have quit the job. When after 2 days, Bangalore and Chennai have quit the job. Following, everybody? So you all tell me, when Bangalore and Chennai have quit the job after 2 days, and he told that the remaining work was done by A alone. So how is that equation? Everybody have a look, everybody here. So how to draw that equation? First day, who is working with the first day? You all know that. Who is working with the first day? A, B, C. They are working for the first day. A plus B plus C. Are they working for 1 day? Yes, sir. Are they working for 2 days? Yes, sir. Are they working for third day? No, sir. Only 2 days they are working. Work is not over. You have to extend this. So 2 days work is over. After 2 days, what happens? Still the work is going on, students. Still the work is going on. Now, after 2 days, who quit the job? B and C quit the job. So we are taking A now. So B and C are not available here, only A is available. So A is doing in 1, 2, 3, we have no idea. Let it be X. Till where it should go, till he reaches total work. Understood this story, everybody? Understood the story or not? Yes. So let me just try to change the story, everybody. Let's try to change the story, everybody. Clear? The story is like this. Listen, everybody. The story is not like this. Story I have changed. A 15 days, B 20 days, C 30 days. They all have started the work together. They all have started the work together. Listen the question, everybody. I'm teaching you the basics here. Now, he told you after 2 days, only B left the job. Listen to the question, everybody. After 2 days, B left the job. Further, after 2 more days, again C left the job. Again, a new story for you students. After 2 days, B quit the job. I don't know what happened in the factory. Again, C was not interested. Further, after 2 more days, C quit the job. So we have to understand that how we are supposed to do this question. Everybody have a look here. So first day, A, B, C all are working very fine. They have started working together. Now, 2 days later, means they have successfully worked for 2 days. After 2 days, what happened is that now B and C are not available. No, only B quit the job. When B quit the job, A and C are working now. Bolo, who is working now? A and C are working. Now, do you think happily are they doing till the end? No. Are they doing till the end? No. So A and C are not completely doing till the work is completed. Something has happened, students. Just to listen. Something has happened. What has happened? After 2 more days. After 2 more days, again Chennai left the job. Again successfully they are working. No. After 2 more days, now who is not available? A is not available or C is not available? C is not available. So who is working alone? A is working alone. Are you understanding? Do you think A is going again quitting? No. A was working till the end. So let it be X. So I believe that you can find out this X value. But are you going to substitute these days? No. Are you going to substitute the days? Never. Never ever add the days. You all know that. Never ever add the days. What are you going to add? Work. So what's the LCM of all these things? 60. The total work is 60 units. Daily 4 units. Daily 3 units. Daily 2 units. So you are supposed to substitute the work. What should you write on here? Total. Are you understanding, everybody? Different stories do come. Different stories do come, students. We are supposed to find out how to do this thing. Shall I tell you a new story? Shall I tell you a new story? Just try to listen to this new story, everybody. Yes. Now listen to this question, everybody. A 15 days. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B 20 days. So this is so very clear. A can do in 15 days. B can do in 20 days. What happened? He told, how many days will it take to complete the work? If A started the work and was assisted by B, how many days it will take to complete the work? If who started the work? A started the work. A started the work. There is no doubt A started and was helped by B 4 days before the completion of the work. Listen to the story, everybody. Listen to the story here. Sir, this though anybody can do it. I will give you A value, I'll give you B value, I'll give you C value. You have to tell me A plus B plus C. This so anybody can do it, but we are not supposed to do this thing. This kind of easy questions don't come to you sometimes. If you're lucky enough, this kind of easy questions comes to you. But if there is some kind of story, then you have to understand the story, what is going on, and how to balance the equation and how to substitute it. I hope you all people are getting now. Okay. Now let's try to move forward and just try to do this question, everybody. What is said that A can do in 15 days, B can do in 20 days. But A started the factory. A started the factory and was helped. Assisted is nothing but helped. And was helped by B just 4 days before the completion of the work, not the initial before. Okay. Now let's say first day who is working? A. A started the factory. Second day who is working? A. Third day A. Fourth, fifth day A. Sixth day A. A was working, but how many days are working? I don't know. Let it be X. But he was assisted. Look at that. The total work was completed. Who is working just 4 days before of the completion of the work? The last day B was there in the factory. You know that. B was assisted by A, not on the last day. Last 2 days also B was there. The project was supposed to be completed last 3 days also B was there. Last 4 days also B was there. Means, so these two people have not worked on the complete project. Last 4 days, 4 days before the completion of the project. Are you understanding this balancing of equation? Now we are supposed to get this X value. That's it. How many days initially X have taken? We don't know. But X was doing first day, second, third, fourth. X was doing regularly. So these two people are doing like this. I believe you all people are understanding this. Is it clear to you? Am I right, everybody? So you can get this X, but don't never substitute. Never substitute the days. Always substitute what? Work. I think that you have understood this. Is it clear to you? Now, let's try to move forward. You have got 13 days Rakesh Naidu and you have got 12 days Sujita. Whatever. I don't know what's the answer. Answer is 12. Okay. Yes, Rakesh, check out here. The answer is 12. Following everybody? Now, what do? I have taught you some of the questions here. Now, अभी समय आ गया है. अभी समय आ गया है that you are supposed to do this thing. 4 minutes of time I have given you, students. How many minutes? 4 minutes. You are supposed to do these two questions. Please, chalo. Make it faster, everybody. Make it faster. Very good. Sunny, if you don't understand, listen to this question again. Following? So Sunny, I've got the first question answer. I want you all people to do it. Sujita, I have got BA, Bangalore and Agra. How about the rest of the people, sir? Half of the time is over. Make it faster. Rakesh Naidu, Sunny, Sujita, Usha, Akshay. These people are doing. How about the remaining people? रवि कुमार आ रहे हैं, रवि कुमार जा रहे हैं. Mayank Tiwari, I've got A. How about the remaining people? Sagar Babu, Aniket A, Agra, Agra, Das, Aditi. Yes, today a new student. I've gone Reshmala, a new student today. How about Shivani? Vicky, you're not answering. Yamini joined now. चलिए बेटा, more 40 seconds are there. Kazi, I've got A and D. AD. Usha is saying A and D. Amrita is saying B and A. Amrita, both answers are wrong, it seems. Vishwati is saying B and A. चलिए, more 20 seconds here. चलिए students, time up. Yes, समय समाप्त हो गया है students, समय समाप्त हो गया है. Have you all got it, everybody? That's good. Yes, AD. Shivani, you got AD? Yes. Now, many people have told the answer. The first answer you have told is A. And the second answer, you have a doubt. Some people are saying D. Okay, and many people are saying the first answer is B. And second answer is A. So, AD, Sagar is saying AD. So, hopefully, shall I fix the answer of Sagar? Some people are saying AA, BA, BA. I'm schooling and finding. Okay. Anyway, students. Okay. Now, let me just try to tell you one thing here. You might have not, Agra, Delhi, Agra, Delhi. That's also true. Okay. I'm teaching both questions for you. Okay. Both questions for you. Listen, everybody. Clear? Sarika, I've got BA, BA. Sarika, complete answers are wrong. AD, some people are saying. Okay, so let's try to do this question, everybody. He told you A15, B10. Listen, everybody, I'm teaching you. Okay, A15, first question. A15, B10. A15, B10. Following, everybody? Now, what did it say here? They have started doing the work together. They started doing the work together, but after 2 days, B have to leave. After 2 days, B have to leave and A have to do the complete work. Means A and B are doing complete work. Are they working till the end? No. After 2 days, who have to leave, students? A have to leave. Who? Oh, sorry. B had to leave. And A alone can complete. B have to leave. A alone can complete. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, we don't know till they reach total work. Let it be X. If we get this X value, we have to get the answer. Okay. Now, here I should not add these things. These are the days. Never add the days. Always add the work. Let me just try to take what's the work. Okay. Let's tell total work. What's the total work? We have 30. Per day, 30 units per day, 30 per day, 30. Daily what? 2 units. Daily what here? 3 units. Following, everybody? Clear? Sunny, पता नहीं तुमको अभी समझ में आ रहा है शायद. Let's start have a look here. 2 into, is this true? But true. 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus x times of a is 2, which is equal to 30. Total work is 30. So we all know that this is 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 goes over there, 2x is equal to 10, 10 2s are what? 30. This is 20. X is equal to 10. So answer is 10 days. Who is working in 10 days? A alone is working for 10 days. A alone is working in the 10 days. To complete the work, 10 days are required more. But do you think they have worked 2 days also? Yes. So the best answer is 12 days. Means these people are also right, these people are also right, but these people have done a mistake. They did not add 2. These people have not added 2. The total work was completed. The whole work was completed in 12 days. Following everybody, some of the people have a doubt in this next question. Listen to this question, everybody. What did it say in the next question here? A, 9 days. B, 18 days. B started the work. Here we have understood that B started the work and was helped by A. When it was helped by B, started the factory and helped by A 3 days before the completion of the work. Not on the first 3 days he helped him, on the last 3 days of the closing of the company, the closing of the project, the closing of the work. Last 3 days he was available, like he was a tester. Now let's try to see here. A, 18 days. B, 9 days. Is this data is correct? Sorry, A, 9 days and this. So let's try to change this one. A, 9 days, B, 18 days. 9 days, 18 days. So I'm teaching again and again, everybody. I hope you should understand that story matters. Yes. Who started the factory? Who started the factory? B started the factory. So B started the factory. First day he was there, second day he was there, started, I don't know, X days. After some days, A joined him. Who joined him? A joined him. When A joined him, total work was completed. Last day, no. Last 3 days he assisted. The work was completed here. Last 3 days, A was with him. Following everybody, Sunny? Abhi samajh jaoge, okay? Now, never add these things. Total work is what? Very simple. 18 and 9 is 18 only. 9 divided by 2, 2 units. 18 by 18, 1 unit. X, B, 1 unit. 3 times of A plus B, 2 plus 1 is equal to total work. You all know that. Total work is how much? 18. Hope you all understanding this, students. This is X. This is what? 5. Is it 5? Yes. This is not add. Okay, multiply. Okay. 3 3s are 9. X is equal to 18 minus 9. Means X is equal to 9 days. Means B have sacrificed 9 days. B have sacrificed 9 days plus extra 3 days. Total work was completed in 12 days. So here the answer is 12. Even these people are also right. These people are also right. But where these people are doing the mistake, some people are asking how many days. X is not the final answer, students. You should understand that. Following everybody, yes. चलिए Ravikant, everybody have got the answer और मैं खुश हो रहा हूं that everybody is getting the answer. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. Now here this question was given in TCS 2019. Okay, in 2019, last year, yeah, this question was given. Just try to listen this question, everybody. Okay, I do one thing. Okay, I want you to do this question at home. Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to give this question to you without wasting the time. Following everybody, this question I want you to do at home. Yes, I'm just trying to give this thing in a group chat. Okay, chaliye, leave it. Okay, now without wasting the time, let's try to move forward, everybody. Okay, so don't worry, this I'm giving to you at home. You have to answer this question. Okay, yes, Shivani, total we have to do it. Now listen to this question, everybody. Okay, leave the simple questions. This TCS question is a simple question. I want you to do it at home. Okay, now listen, everybody. Here, A and B can do a piece of work. Listen to this, everybody, students. I want your attention here. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. Listen, everybody. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. Just listen, don't do that. Don't do that group chat answer. I want you to do it at home. Now listen everybody. A and B can do it in 12 days. B and C can also do in 15 days. And A and C can do in 20 days. A and C can do it in 20 days. Listen to this question everybody. He gave you AB 12, BC 15, and A and C, that is 20 days. Following everybody? Clear? So this kind of questions will also be given to you. Yes, they had been given. Listen everybody, what is said that how long will it take for A to answer? How long will it take for A alone? A alone. I want A alone. How this question is different from the previous questions? Students, it's very simple. Previously, he gave you A, B. He gave you individual values. 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 And what did you find? Combined value. Are you understanding everybody? He gave you individual values and you have found the combined value. But what is this question? It's the same question. It's the same question. He gave you combined value. He gave you combined value. Combined work of A and B, combined work of B and C, combined work of A and C, and is asking A alone. Following everybody? So these kind of questions will be given to you. You have to just try to get the combined. Everybody on the screen now. Everybody on the screen now. Now, how to do this thing? Let's try to have a look, everybody. I'm adding all the left hand sides. A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C. A plus B plus A plus C plus means 2 times of A, 2 times of B, 2 times of C. Students, don't get deviated. Okay, the questions which are supposed to be at home, do it at home. Listen now very carefully. So A plus B plus A plus 2A, 2B, 2C is equal to what? This one. 12 plus 15, 27, 27 plus 20, 47. Never. Listen, this mistake you should never do in your lifetime. Never ever add the days. I told you already, students, some people might have done like this. Never ever add the days. Always supposed to add what? Work. Understanding? I don't have work. Here I have a work, but I don't have work here. I have to take LCM. So you have to take one number which is the LCM. You have to take one number which goes with 12 also, which goes with 15 also, which goes with 20 also. You need to have one work which goes with all these things. Are you understanding everybody? Chaliye, you tell me what number is such number which goes with all these things. So common number is what? LCM. What is the LCM? 60. Are you understanding everybody, students? What's the total work? Total work is what? 60. So 60. So per day 5. Per day 4. Per day 3. So we should never add the days. Always add the work. That is 12 units. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? So let's listen very carefully. He gave you combined work. So I have added all the left hand sides. I have add all the work. So you tell me what is common here. 2 is common. 2A, 2B, 2C. Take 2 common from all. So this is 12 units. This is 12 units. Means 2 times of A plus B plus C is 12. So when you cancel 2 ones, here cancel 2 6. Means what? A plus B plus C can do how many units? 6 units, students. A plus B plus can do how many units? 6 units. But do you think is he asking the units or work? Work. Of whom? Not A plus B plus C, A alone. Are you understanding everybody? Suppose my question is, listen everybody, suppose my question is, in how many days these 3 people can do their work together? So listen everybody, total work is 60, 60 divided by 6. 60 divided by 6. A plus B plus C can do in 10 days. But did he ask you A plus B plus C or only A? Only A he want. Are you understanding everybody? So Sagar, you said 6 days. That 6 days is for A plus B plus C. I understand, but I don't want A plus B plus C. I want A alone. Listen how to do it. Once you get, listen everybody, once you get A plus B plus C, that is 6 units. Now let's try to see what happens. Listen everybody. A plus B plus C is 6 units. In that, we want a value. In that, we want a value. If you want a value, then you have to remove b and c value. Do you have you been given b and c value? Yes, we have been given b and c value. Listen everybody, the b and c value is no. Take this, not days, always substitute work. Okay, so b plus c value is 4, so I'm putting 4. A plus 4, A is equal to 2. So tell me, is it 2 days or 2 units? 2 units. So total work is how many units, sir? 60. So daily 2 units A will do. A will do daily 2 units. Means what, sir? 30 days. The total day is 30 days. So answer is what? None of this. Amit Patel, everybody, are you understanding everybody? Is it clear to you? Clear? So these kind of questions will also be given to you. These kind of questions will also be given to you, where he will give you combined work. You are supposed to do individual work. समझ में आ रहा है? If समझ में आ रहा है, say yes. Samudra, Induja, you're getting 120 days. Who will take 120 days? Amit Patel 30, Sujita 30, Rakesh 30. In this, suppose he asks you be alone. Listen everybody. Suppose he's asking you be alone. If he asks you be alone, so yeah. Suppose he's asking you be alone. Yeah. If he's asking you be alone, students, what you're supposed to remove? You already know a plus b plus c value. You already know a plus b plus c value, that is 6. So b alone comes like that. If you want b alone, remove a and c. Remove a and c. How to remove a and c? A and c data is given to you. A and c's data is 3. 3 units. Are you understanding everybody? So we don't want units. We want b days. So divide by 3. Answer is 20. Clear? I'm happy that you are doing this combined work. If I give you are doing the individual work. No matters. Yo, this is a question. Listen everybody, not my question, sir. Some of the students have given a copycat. Listen everybody. A 16. A 16. B 24. B can do 24. But A plus B plus C 8 days. In how many days C alone can do the work? This question was given by one of the students, so I'm writing. So this is from number system, students. I will teach you these questions from number system. This is from number system. Divisibility. This is from number system. One student are given combined work. I'll teach you all that questions. Don't worry. Are you understanding everybody? Now, so all these things will do it. But this question which the students have given, I have to give you. This is the same question, sir. This question both are same. So if you want the timer, I'll give you timer. I want you to do the question right now. 2 minutes is there in your hand. Make it faster. Everybody, make it faster. 2 minutes are there. More. 35 seconds are there, students. Make it faster. Amruta, Vishwajit, how about the remaining people? Have you all got the answer? Make it faster, students. Amit got 24. Aniket got D. None of these. Aniket, Amruta got 48. I'll tell you. Listen, everybody, carefully. Listen, everybody, carefully. The people who have got it or not got it, listen, everybody. A, 16 days. B, 24 days. ABC, 8 days. We want C alone. Are you understanding, everybody? So, some of the students might have done like this: A plus B plus A plus C, 2A plus 2B. No. Listen, everybody, carefully. Why? Why we have done this thing in the previous one? Because in the previous one, we want, in the previous one, we didn't had A plus B plus C, this combined equation. This one we didn't had. That's I have added and I got it A plus B plus C. But here there is no need to add. Directly gave you A plus B plus C. Understood what I mean to say? Directly gave you A plus B plus C value. It's a straight away question. If you want C, remove this B, C. A and B. That's good. How? LCM. LCM of all these things is 48. So it's very simple. Per day 3. Per day 2. Per day 6. Means A and B and C's combined work is 6. A and B and C's combined work is 6. In that, A will do how much? 3 dabba. B will do 2 dabba. C will do how much? I don't know. I'm finding now. C's work. C is what? 1. 1 unit. C is what? 1. So this is not 1 day. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. So if you want daily 1 daily 1 unit, so definitely he will do in 48 days. I hope you all people are understanding these questions. Remember that he will give you combined work and ask you individual work. He will give you combined work and individual work. Students, this kind of questions we have already discussed in the previous one. This kind of question we have already discussed in the previous one. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, I believe that you are okay with combined work. Yesterday we have done what? Yesterday we have done what? Yesterday we have done chain rule. Today we are doing what? Combined work questions. Are you understanding? The more you do, the more perfect you are. Are you understanding? Chaliye, let's do more. Why shouldn't we do like previous question? Yes, obviously. Tell me, why did we do previous question? In the previous question, A plus B plus A plus B. I didn't had A plus B plus C. If you want A alone, from this, I want A alone, I will remove BC. I will remove this BC. Understood, Sujita? But in this thing, you need not do it. Directly gave you combined work of all the people. Just remove A and B, that's it. This is the way. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward. Now, Listen here. Listen to this question very carefully. The next question is this question. This is not my question, sir. I copied it. I copied it from one of the entrance examination. I don't know what's the answer. You are supposed to give the answer in the group chat. Yeah, this question. I'll tell you. This question was given in IES. Following. This was given in IES. If it was a classroom, I will open my WhatsApp group and I'll just try to show you, but it's not like that. Now, so you have to do this question at home, but just try to listen to this question very carefully. He told you, 2 men can complete a piece of work in 10 days. Listen to this question, everybody. 2 men can complete a piece of work how many days? 10 days. Okay, we are not in a position to solve the question. Okay, right now we are in a position to understand the question. 2 men, 10 days. 4 women can also do a piece of work in 15 days. 4 women can also do in 15 days. 2 men, 10 days. 4 women, 15 days. 3 children. 3 children can also do the same question in 30 days. They can do the same work. A. 2 men, 10 days. 4 women can do in 15 days and 3 children can do in how many days? 30 days. Following everybody. How long will it take for a team of 5 men? Please come. 5 men, please come. 5 men plus, I want to invite 5 women. 5 women, please come. 5 women and 15 children. I want the combined work of these all people. I want the combined work of all these people. Are you understanding it? I want the work of 5 men, 5 women and 15 children. Is it clear to you? So how to get this answer? So in order to get the answer, never ever add the days. Always add the what? Work. Now, listen everybody. Listen everybody. Here, 2 men can do in 10 days. 2 men can do in 10 days. So I want 1 man. Okay. So listen everybody. How to do this question? Listen. Just try to take the LCM. What is one number? What is one number which is going with 10 also, 5 also, 30 also? I guess the number is 30. Never add the days, sir. Always do combined work. Never add the days. I want to do combined work. Listen everybody. A 10, B 15, C 30. LCM of all these things 30. So let's do per day, 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 3. Per day, per day, per day, 2. Per day, per day, per day, per day, 1. Now, after doing this one, you all know that this is very simple. 3 days, 2 days, 1 days. Who will do 3 units? Not 1 man, 2 men. When 2 people can do 3 boxes, when 2 people can do 3 boxes, 1 man. You tell me, yeah. Okay, Subhashmita is saying the answer, but we should not get interrupted. Subhashmita, thanks. That's the correct answer. But listen, everybody. 2 men, 3 units. 2 men, 3 units. Bolo, 1 man will do 3 units. No, he will do half, 1 and half, 1.5. Are you understanding? When 2 men can do 3, 1 man cannot do 3. 1 man can do only 1.5. Means 5 men is 1.5 into 5 men work. Understanding everybody? 1 man is 1.5. So 5 men, 5 into 1.5. This is a 5 men work. I want 5 women work. I want 5 women work. I don't know 5 women work. But 4 women is 2. 4 women is 2. Then 1 woman is 2 by 4. 1 woman is 2 divided by 4. So 5 women is 2 divided by 4. This is 5 women work. Following everybody? Now, 1 unit is not